No skit today, guys. This is a very serious video. I have heard rumors going around about the law of attraction that will keep you safe from the coronavirus. And yes, this video won't be monetized because of that, but it's not a big deal. I gotta get this message out there. I'm hearing rumors that there are people saying that the law of attraction is a shield and that you can use it and you could walk into an infected area because you think that it would, just protect you from the coronavirus. No, that's not how the law of attraction works. If we were the perfect human being and we could just have our thoughts perfectly positive all the time, not a single negative thought could enter our mind, then yes, theoretically, by the law of attraction, by frequency, by resonating with your desire and the way you see yourself, you could be fine. But we're not like that. There's not a single person on this planet that could do that. What will happen if a law of attraction master, professional, goes into a hospital with people that are dying, with people that are sick? Cracks start to form. As a human being, cracks in our thoughts, our emotions, and our feelings form. It's just living life. That's why people, law of attraction practitioners who teach on YouTube and through books are very important, because that's how we cope with life. That's how we get better. That's how we become better. That's how we evolve. We have to go over these hurdles. When you go into an area like that and I'm going to say it, you're stupid if you go outside and you try to go to the beach for spring break. You're stupid. You're dumb. That's a bad idea. Stay inside, wash your hands. Protect people, protect the elderly by staying home. Back to the point. If you go into an area that's infected and you think the law of attraction is going to save you, you're going to start forming cracks. You're going to see people coughing. You're going to see people hurting. And then you're going to start feeling bad. Then you're going to start feeling negative. And then you're going to start thinking about it a lot. And then you're going to get infected. You form cracks. That is why in the law of attraction, when we see negative people, we stay away from them. We can't just be around negative people all the time. Sure, some of us are unfortunate enough to be with people like that now, but we always tell them, go less often and stay for a less amount of time. It's the same thing here, because you can lower your vibration by doing that. No one is immune. No one. So you have to be smart. The law of attraction is just that. It's a law. Just like the law of gravity. The law of attraction states that whatever you think, you create. So once you go into an area like that and you're not this perfect human being, these cracks are going to form and you're going to start getting negative, and then you're going to get infected, and people who don't use the law of attraction, you're going to get around them and you're going to get them infected. So this video, I'm going to give you 3 ways on how you can stay safe and healthy using the law of attraction properly in order to stay safe from the coronavirus, as well as helping other people. But public service announcement, people, stay home, don't go into crowded places, and for the love of God, with the toilet paper, oh my God, that's crazy. That's just crazy. What you can do is stay home, wash your hands, and just play it safe and listen to what the higher officials are saying, the doctors and stuff like that. Really pay attention. We got to use our heads here. But what you can do, number 1, I know that was a rant, but I just had to get that off my chest. I heard things that, some law of attraction ideas are going around that it's just going to protect you forever. And it can, if you do it the right way. The first thing is to raise your vibration, right? We want to raise our vibration. And by going into infected areas, you're not going to be raising your vibration. By going into public areas, you're going to be worried that you're going to catch it and you're not raising your vibration. So by staying home, you can raise your vibration. And not only that, there is a community of positivity that we can raise. And this is from Abraham Hicks, right? We can help the earth, the societies, the cultures, the people, by raising our vibrations together. Do your part and raise your vibration and try to keep it there as highly as possible. There's something called the super ego, right? Which is it's a cloud, a community of, why do I keep saying community? It's a cloud of thoughts that we're all connected, right? We're all connected to each other. And if we raise our vibration, we can help get over this epidemic, this pandemic, whatever you call it. There's, I don't exactly know how it works. No one knows how it works, but everybody raising your vibration at once does miracles. Okay, so do your part, and raising your vibration will help you to remain healthy if you make all the right decisions and all the smart decisions, and being smart and staying up to date with what's going on, not being addicted to the news. There's a difference between just sitting there and watching the news all day and staying informed. So stay informed. The next thing you can do is laugh more. This is amazing for raising your vibration. Sorry, I just did another video before this and I've been talking for like 2 hours straight now. Raise your vibration is number one. Number two is laugh. So what I do is I'll watch Pineapple Express with Seth Rogen. I'll watch Will Ferrell. I'll watch all my favorite movies, and I'll do it with people that I love, of course. You know, with my girlfriend, with my family, with my brother, with his brother and his girlfriend. We just laugh. We laugh a lot. We play board games, you know, while we're in this quarantine. We're not going out to bars playing pool. We're not going to see movies. We can't see movies anyway. We're just laughing. And laughing is so freaking important, guys. There's so much research on the positive aspects that come out of just laughing. So laugh a lot. And you may think, Kai, that's so inappropriate to laugh during this hard time. No, during this dark time, we need laughter. There's a reason why in Texas here, one of the oldest buildings is a movie theater, and it survived the Great Depression because people need entertainment during dark times. So be a light in this darkness. Be a light. I'm telling you, be a light. Be, you know, laugh. Help other people to laugh. You know, we don't have to, you're not going to serve this cause by being negative and being upset all the time. You know, yes, take it seriously. That's fine. There's a difference between taking something seriously and just trying to remain positive. Yes, positivity makes people uncomfortable in bad times, but it's needed. It's needed, and you need it. So watch funny movies, enjoy your family, play board games, stay at home, play some, I don't know, I just found my old Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh decks, play some of that, I don't know. So laugh. The third thing, and this is the final thing before the bonus, and that is go to a bed imagining health and wealth. That's right, I just did a video on can you manifest while sleeping, and you certainly can. All the greats talk about it. John Assaraf, Dr. Joe Dispenza, Jack Canfield, Abraham Hicks, Dr. Joseph Murphy, who's my personal favorite. They all talk about it. Some of my boys, Aaron Dowdy, Jake Ducey, Trinius Henderson, all great. They all talk about manifesting while you sleep. Now, I have contacted Aaron Dowdy and Jake Ducey, and they want nothing to do. No, I'm kidding. I don't even have their phone numbers. That would be so cool to do a video with them one day, though. They're so awesome. Great channels, guys. I'm sure you've seen them before, so great videos, great stuff. So yeah, go to bed imagining yourself healthy and wealthy. I always add wealthy in there because that's the way I like to see myself while I go to sleep, and it's worked miracles, guys. So go to bed stepping into that reality that you desire. The next thing I want you to do, which is the bonus before I end this video, and before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and remember to stay home, stay healthy, and you know, see yourself like that before you go to bed. So subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It really helps me out. It really helps me out. And comment down below. I am so happy and grateful that I am blissfully healthy. Oh crap. Sorry, that alarm scared the crap out of me. I am so happy and grateful now that I am blissfully healthy. Okay, now for the bonus. While eating and drinking, see it as health fuel. That's right. This really helps me raise my vibration, and I do this when I'm trying to lose body fat, you know, for the summer, is I see it as health fuel. So when you're eating it, be grateful. Be grateful for that food. Really taste the flavors, and like, this is going to help me remain healthy. This is going to help me remain healthy. Drink lots of water, eat food, wash your hands. These are small things that you can do. Do not undervalue these things. That's just the law of attraction. There's no special magical techniques. Sure, there are techniques, but these things right here are the bread and butter. They're the bread and butter of the law of attraction. Do these things, guys, and be smart, stay informed, and laugh, and be positive. Guys, I love you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Kai Valentine. Hit that subscribe button and join the Valentine family. See you later, guys.